Hey guys, what's happening? I hope you all are well. Peace be upon you all. Today I am back. Yeah, it's been quite a while, but I am back. Today we have an unboxing video of my new tablet. So first of all, actually I'll just remove this. So I got this from Daraz, as you can see on the parcel, and I received it in this bubble wrap. I would have appreciated a box because this came all the way from Karachi. And you can see that if I just take this out the bubble wrap, there are a few, there is some damage on the box because of travel. But anyways, before I go any further, this is the Tab S9 FE Plus. I know that this was released about a year ago. I was trying to buy an S10 Ultra, but I wanted the 512GB variant, and that was not available in my city. I was going to get it, but the way to get it was quite shady. Like, I'd have to go to someone's house, give them the money, and then after a while it would come, and then I need to go over there again, and then blah blah blah. So like, just on petrol I'd spend more than delivery costs. So I was like, you know what, I'll buy this for like 157,000. The S10 Ultra was 375. I was like, I'll buy this for 157, and I'll buy something else. So I have bought something else. It's on its way, and that will be the next unboxing video, inshallah. And that is quite an amazing product. And yeah, so today we will be unboxing the Tab S9 FE Plus and taking a first look. May Allah protect it from the evil eye. Ameen, summa ameen. And yeah, so if I just open it like here, right, amazing. I got this from a shop called Shop Tech Karachi. I ordered it on, I think, Saturday, if I remember correctly, and this came today on Tuesday, which is good delivery timings, especially considering that it came all the way from Karachi. And so that is done. Oh my God, astaghfirullah. I am quite scared. I hope it is not broken. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Oh yeah, right, we need to take these off. Okay, let's take these off. Do not accept if seal is broken. And alhamdulillah, the seal is not broken. Let me just... ASMR, I guess. There we go. And here we go. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Come on. Don't be shy. Have I not done it properly? Okay, there we go. Okay, alhamdulillah. So we have some stickers over here. And here is the tablet. Oh wow, subhanallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Oh my God. Seems very nice. I'm going to pull this off now. What? That is some strong piece of paper. Either I'm doing it wrong or that's some strong piece of paper. I'm just gonna tear this, to be honest. And I'm just gonna pull this out like this. Alhamdulillah. Oh wow. So yeah, I guess this is keyboard support if my phone focuses, which it does not want to. And over here we have the back camera, ultra wide and wide, and AKG, sound by AKG, Samsung logo over there. And then we have the S Pen. This is a wireless S Pen, and it does not need to be charged either, which is really nice. So this just sticks over here. Oh wow, look at that. And yeah, that is the tablet, to be honest. I hope that this has battery because I do want to turn it on. And it does also have a fingerprint scanner right up here. So that's the power button and the fingerprint scanner, and then on the right side you see the volume button. Oh wow, subhanallah. So I'll put this to the side for the moment, and we'll take a look at the box. So I already showed you the S Pen. And so I guess this is our user manual and everything, and this is the cable. So I will not be using this cable, but I do want to show you it. So this is the cable, and I will be using the same cable that came with my S22 Ultra with the 45-watt charger. This, I believe it supports 25-watt fast charging, I think, but don't quote me on that. And yeah, so I'll be using that, not this, because too many cables. I already have so many phones, so like it's just too many cables, to be honest. Oh wow, we have a SIM ejector tool. I was not expecting that. Let me see if this has a place where you can, oh yeah, so this has expandable storage, and therefore you can yeah, so right over here, as you can see, it is quite shiny. If my phone focuses, come on man. So you can, oh my god man, come on, focus please. What it doesn't want to focus, please. Maybe if I bring it up close, well, you can kind of see it now. So there is the like, that's where you're going to put the SIM ejector tool, and you can put memory card in here, and you can see all this shiny stuff around. That's actually plastic protecting. So yeah, I'm not going to pull that off, because I am just going to put this in a cover when the cover arrives. The cover has not yet arrived. I'm waiting for that. And yeah, so let me just set this up, and then I will get back to you. So this is the tablet, start 12.4 inch, and I am going to select English. Where is it? Hold on a second, I just missed it. English, United Kingdom. Thank you. Select your country. Why are these the only options? What? Okay, well, I'm going to choose Saudi Arabia, because I used to live there. Anyways, I will set this up and then I'll get back to you. By the way guys, whilst I wait for this to load, this pen, you can stick it on the top and also on the bottom. I believe on the bottom, because the case, if you get the keyboard, it of course sticks over here, so that's why there's magnets over here. It does not stick to the sides. It does stick to the back, of course, over here above the camera, right over there. And it does also stick on top. I will probably keep this on top. There we go. Okay, place your sensor, then lift off where the percentage goes up. So this is the sensor right up here. So I'm going to put my finger over there. Okay, first let me just lift this up a bit. Yes, first time in my life that I'm using this sort of fingerprint sensor. It's very cool, to be honest. There we go. Very, very, very nice. I do not want to add another at this moment in time. And yeah. Alright then guys, so I am setting it up, right? And well, I must say, this is not an OLED display, okay? And I do not think I will be keeping this eye comfort shield on, because look at the state of the display now, and then look at it normally. Brother, go back to it. What? Brother, see, that's normal. This is okay. Yeah, I'm not going to be using this, to be honest, man. Just, I hope it's completely off. Yeah, so now it's off. Okay, there we go. I do really like if you come down from here, it comes down from here. If you do it from here, it comes down from here. If you do it from here, it comes. That's really, 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 really nice. I really love that. Anyways, let me completely set this up, then I'll come back to you. Another thing I wanted to say is, like, I don't understand how the display is so smooth. And I found out it's actually a 90 Hertz display, so of course it's going to be smooth. This is so much smoother than my S22 Ultra and my Note 10 Lite and my Xiaomi and, you know, iPhones, etc. iPhones that I've used. Now, of course, I think they come with 90 Hertz displays. Anyways, we'll find out in a few weeks. So basically, the reason why this is more smoother than my S22 Ultra is because on my S22 Ultra, yes, I have a 120 hertz display, but it drains battery so much. And so I don't like that. So of course I have it off. I have it on 60 hertz. This, of course, I will keep on 90 hertz because like this, the battery on this is huge. I can't wait to experience that. Anyways, let me continue getting this set up, then I'll come back to you. So alhamdulillah, I am getting through it. But one thing that does bother me, I must say, if we come into storage over here, what is the system doing? 34 gigabytes. It's brand new. The tablet is brand new. I just unboxed it. 35 gigabytes. The system has already taken from me. That's crazy. As I was going through the settings, I just remembered over here you also have the opportunity to connect a mouse and keyboard. If you do so, this can actually become a computer. This via Samsung DeX, you can actually turn this into a computer, which is really a laptop, of course, which is really, really nice. However, I must say that this Samsung DeX is not like the one found in the S22 Ultra or the S8 Plus, etc. Because, for example, my S22 Ultra, if I plug this into my monitor, keyboard, mouse, my phone becomes a desktop. However, if you plug this into a monitor, etc., this will not, send out Samsung DeX. Alright then guys, this is my tablet. I have set this up, alhamdulillah, not fully, of course. There is still, I need to do sort the apps and everything, but yeah, I am very pleased with it, alhamdulillah. As you can see over here, we have my name along with the tablet, and oh wow, look at the reflection. There, that's the S22 Ultra. Can I put the thing up? Yeah, you can see it right there. Anyways, that's the time. It's about to be 1 o'clock, and yes, we're number 51, item number 56. So on the left side I've gone for Samsung internet, on the right side I've gone for YouTube. And yeah, one thing I really like over here that you can change this, you can move this like this, or of course I can just use my fingerprint. There we go. This is the home screen that I've put. I have not set everything up. Yeah, it does still need to be set up, but that's of course going to take a really long time. So yeah, I'll be ending this video here. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm very, very pleased with it. And oh yeah, I wanted to show you the camera. Does it open? Oh wow, double tap does work. Does work. So I mean, it's not the best, but I mean, like, actually, you know what? Let's make a video with this. Okay then guys, I'm currently recording with my Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. And as you can see, well, the video quality is not that good. This is the other camera. I believe this is the first camera. Maximum zoom we have 4 times in video. Yeah, I don't think this is meant for recording. Yeah, this is the furthest thing away from that. Anyways, this is my S22 Ultra, and this also only allows you to maximum record in FE Full HD, or you have the option of HD. On my phone, I'm currently recording in Ultra HD, which is 4K, and this is the video. You must have seen this right now. But yeah, with that being said guys, I am going to sign it off here now. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it till here, comment down below Meow Billah 123, and yeah, may Allah protect this from the evil eye. And yeah, fi amanallah, jazakallah khairan for watching.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين